Hey guys, it's TNN and this over here is a AirTag from Temu for only $2. Yeah, you heard me right. That's around £2, 200 rupees, and it looks pretty cool. It's pretty small, and we're going to use it to track this car and see if it's any good as a car tracker and if the AirTag really works. Before we begin, I just really want to show you guys this really cool AirTag holder from a company called PROfezzion. It is super durable, water resistance, pressure resistant, and it's got really cool strong cable so you can attach it almost anywhere. You've also got a lanyard slot as well, and it's bolted in with these super security screws. Really good, really strong, really durable AirTag case. So this is perfect for things like when you're going on holiday, or if you need to attach it to things like your car for tracking. This is the box. It's really nice. 2mm durable wire cable. It is resistant to violent destruction, easy to locate, and it keeps your AirTag nice and safe because these AirTags are quite pricey. Let's go ahead and let's see what is inside, included in this box. Located inside the box, we have this screwdriver, the manual, and we've got some spare screws, some key rings, different types of key locks, and also different types of tags that we can put on there with your phone number, contact name, contact details, and location. So it's really cool that you can attach all this as well. Just below the AirTag as well, we also have some screen protectors which you can put on the Apple logo to protect it from getting scratches. So definitely check this out from PROfezzion. I'll put a link to buy it down below in the description, and if I got any coupon codes, I'll put that down below as well. They are really good AirTag cases. Now let's get back to the video. So here we have the actual product here. So I actually bought it as a pack of 2 from Temu or Temu, whatever you like to call it. And it was £4. So what's that, like $5 for a pack of 2? So essentially £2 for one, $2 for one. Insane. That is absolutely insane. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think an Apple AirTag is around £30, like £30 sort of mark, so that's around $30 in America as well. And this is 2, so that's a massive price difference. So if this actually does really well, it will super shock me. This is the box it comes with, so it's called Airtmy. I don't know what the T is really for and how to really pronounce it. They could have just called it Airtmy, would have been probably better, but Airtmy, whatever it is, don't really care what it's called, as long as it works, that's all I care about. Their model is called the N Tag, and it works only with the Apple Find My app, and it's actually really easy and really simple to set up. So there's a few things over here as well. Attach, spot your personal items and add it to the Apple Find My app to your iPhone or iPad. Locate your items on a map in the Find My app. Play sound and LED from the Find My app to find everything nearby. So if you lose it, you can also play sound. So this little thing even comes with a speaker, which is crazy for that price. That's insane. Obviously, the packaging is cheap. I'm surprised that they even managed to make this matte and look pretty sleek. But the inside is just going to be cheap. It's cheap plastic and one little user manual. Literally, that's all it is. The user manual, damn, that is tiny. You will definitely need like a magnifying glass to read this. God. Getting started, add your AirTags. It's got all little things over here. To power it on, you just press the button once. To power it off, you press it for 3 seconds. Press and hold for 3 seconds. You'll hear 2 beeps when it powers off, and you'll hear 1 beep when it turns on. So that's how you know. To add it to your Apple app is actually really easy as well. You literally just go on the Find My iPhone app, click on Devices, click on Add Devices, and then you click on Add Other Devices. As long as this is powered on, make sure you press it once and it powers on. It literally finds it within seconds, which is insane. This is the little device over here. We've got the speakers over here as well. Just got legal stickers, which I'm shocked that it even has that, but it has legal stickers. Do not bin. It's got a little slot on the side over here, which I assume is for you to sort of fit in a screwdriver. Let me try and focus that over here. It's quite hard to get. It's really difficult to see, but it's like a little slot on the side over here, so you can fit like a screwdriver, I guess, and pry it open and change the battery if the battery dies. God knows how long the battery lasts on this. I mean, for £2, I'll be shocked if it lasts a long time. but who knows, it might do. The main thing I care about is how good it tracks, and yeah, let's see how it goes really. So got the button, oh, just dropped it there. It's durable, I'll give it that as well. If you press and hold it for 3 seconds, it did nothing. I thought if you press and hold it for 3 seconds it will power off. Well, I don't know. I thought it would power off. It's doing nothing. I'm just going to press it once. Maybe I did break it. Do you think I broke it? Let's go on the Find My app and let's go through, see what the features are. I mean, for £2, I probably broke it. Oh no, I didn't break it. It's definitely tracked it. It says this is literally the location. Maybe once it's connected, you can't switch it off. I don't know. But you can do really cool features like play sound. Look at that. And it gets louder and louder. And gradually just increases. Stop sound. And it's pretty instant. Like, pretty damn good. All the other features as well. So, oh, let's close that off. We don't want to share our contact information with it. You can also get notifications for when you leave it behind. So let's say you connect it up to your bag or something, or your laptop. Whenever you walk away from it, it will tell you you've forgotten it, which is pretty cool. I love that feature. And then of course the other features you can direct yourself straight to it. You can share the tag with someone else who has an Apple product as well. And then you just get the live tracking. You can also set like a little emoji on it as well. So when you add the device, it asks you what you want to call it. I called it the N Tag 1. But then you can also add like a little emoji, which I've added like a little car emoji on it, because we're going to use it to track our car. So we're going to see how well it actually works to track the car now. We're going to find good places to put it so it stays hidden so no one can find it. And then we'll see how well it can actually track your car. So yeah, let's give it a go. Right guys, so we're going to go ahead and put this in the car. I'm going to make my dad get in the car and get him to drive the car somewhere, not tell me where. We'll put it right here. So the best thing is my dad doesn't have an iPhone. He actually uses a Xiaomi phone, so that's Android. So the best part about that is that the iPhone won't be pinging to this AirTag, so we can actually test it and see if it's actually any good, because of course what's so good about the tracking tag, if your iPhone's going to be with you all the time, being right next to the tag, of course it's going to tell you where it is. The whole point of it is locating things when it's stolen, taken away, or when it's not with your iPhone. So we're going to get him to drive the car, go somewhere, and we're going to see if the Apple app actually picks up where the car is, or if this thing even works, because it's pretty useless if I need to be with it all the time in order for it to work. Okay, so my dad has now left, the car's gone, and well, unfortunately it still says it's with me, and it says it was last located 3 minutes ago with me. So I mean, let's give it a few minutes. He's gonna call me when he finds a spot to park, and we'll see if it locates where he is. But for now it's just saying it's with me, so I don't think it's actually that great, but let's see how it goes. So 10 minutes have passed and it still says the car's with me right here. It doesn't work, unfortunately. The car's clearly not here. It's been stolen, and the Temu AirTag hasn't helped at all, unfortunately. So would I recommend buying it? Hell no. Don't buy it, guys. Save your money. If you're going to use things to actually track your actual car, then don't buy a Temu AirTag. It doesn't work. It acts like it, and it shows on the website that it's, you know, Find My iPhone compatible, which it is, but it makes it out like it's literally an AirTag, but it's not. The way AirTags work is that you have to have iPhones nearby, and people who have iPhones nearby which ping off the AirTag, and that's how it finds its location, because it uses iPhones nearby. Whereas the Temu AirTag only uses your phone nearby, and here it is coming back now. He's right here. So the Temu AirTag only uses your phone nearby, so if your phone's not nearby, it doesn't track anything. So what is the actual point of it? I mean, the sound, if you lose something near you and you do a sound on it, then it would find it. Otherwise it's just completely useless. So there's the verdict. Save your money, don't buy the Temu AirTag.